Hi, my name is Ed Kessler. My wife and I, we've been doing the ACE Amazon selling business for the last 4 or 5 years, and we joined ACE last July, and we were very happy with our selection of joining ACE. We're at the second annual conference, and I just can't believe how many great people we met at this place. And you know, if you're really thinking about joining ACE, please take a look. They're really a great bunch of people, from Sam himself to all the support people that he has. They have helped us immensely in this business. It's not easy, but it's something that you really need. This is your support line by joining ACE. Join us. You'll have some fun.